Ratchet, that's run on my own, bitch, is legendary. I'm not your born hustle, that shit hereditary. I get this shit from my mama, I ain't never scared. 20,000 in my 20,000 in my pocket, all blues, some slight shit. I took a loss and got it back with the right witch. Your planes old, I bust down and let the ice hit. My pill lane is slowed down, but the ice in. 1,000 bowls changing life when the price hit. I hit my youngin' with a switch, we ain't fighting shit. The face cool, but ass fat shit, I might hit it. We out of town to head dog, bitch, I might tip. I go anywhere I want, I ain't checking in. I'm pushing 22 a week, bitch, I'm born to win. Lil' Jalen hunting for a kill, bitch, he born to sin. I love my baby like my brother, bitch, we more than kin. I stuff a 40 in my pocket, that shit big knots. A quarter meal at 25, just some scrape pots. This shit pure, no fed and wild, bitch, it's straight drop. Ask around about the two, bitch, we made topping. Syrup pills, both sneeze, let me know I got it. Way before I started rapping, I was in Cali copping. 60 racks vacuum, 2 TSA shopping. Lost a couple suitcases and still make straight profit. Niggas speaking on little shows, getting bags dropping. Benny still up on the go, he got the land high. He get a word that's on the south, we get your mans drop. I get a word that's on the south with your mans top. You niggas hoes all on the grim flash, your man pop. My bitch say she curved me, that's a damn lie. Them niggas asking about a brick, can't make a bird fly. Them niggas barely cop a zip, but something broke. 20,000 in my pocket, all blues, some slight shit. I took a loss and got it back with the right whip. Your planes old, I bust down and let the ice hit. My pill lane is slowed down, but the ice in. 1,000 bowls changing life when the price hit. I hit my youngin' with a switch.